Okay fellas, one kit challenge. This was something I thought of a while back. It's a group of us, 8 of us all together, 8 to 9. It's really basic one kit, kit and kilo, fermentables and additives up to the budget of maximum £20 approximate. No dry hopping unless there's dry hops with the kit you bought. Anything else goes. So we've got this is the first one, black Tash Stout from Tony, Yorkshire Homebrew. Just says Yorkshire Homebrew 2021 one kit challenge. Nothing else about the beer. I know it's a stout, obviously it's dark. I don't want anything of the ABV, anything like that, but we'll give it a go. Cheers. A bit of cannon smoke there. You have to forgive the cat. Try and get some. It's not a carbonated, nucleated glass, so that's pouring really nicely. That. I'm going to stop there. There's a nice pour. So you've got a lovely 2-finger plus head. Mostly tight, I'd say caramel head. Let's get a nose on this. You got molasses there. It's the. I think there's a bit of chocolate as well. I'm not sure if there's chocolate in there, but it's just from the malts, or is it from the kit? I don't know. So I have no idea of the ABV, no idea what kit Tony used. Unfortunately, he's had family issues, so I'm not sure he's participating, but we're still going to mark him, still going to score him. And for a first looking beer, look at that, I dive in. Cheers, and cheers Tony. There's some sweetness there, but dry on the back, but definitely some sweetness there. So there's some kind of, I don't know, is there some kind of sweetener in there? I don't know. Maltodextrin, maybe lactose, I don't know. Oh, that's smooth. Little bit of tang there, not like a, when you get a really smooth all grain kit, it's a slight difference, not an awful lot, but it's fantastic. If anything, I'll say it's very, very slightly thin, but not untowardly. I'm going to score that. Try and keep these brief. Going to score that. It's hard to tell because it's the first one, isn't it? You know, it's the first one, but that is really good. I'd be chuffed if I'd made that. Look at head's holding, lacings there. It's not a nucleated glass, should I say? So to me, do you know what? It's got a bit of a swirl there. I've got some aroma coming through because it's warming up. Definite chocolate on there. Possibly a touch of coffee as well. I'm going to mark it. I'm a bit mean with my marking. Very rarely will score a 10 on beers. Very, very rare. 9 is. I've had a few to compare. It's really difficult with the first one. We'll have to score this. I'm going to give this. Give it. It's either an 8.5 or a 9. I can't. You know what? Fantastic. I'm going to give that a 9. Cheers, fellas. Good luck, the rest of you. Something to beat now because that's a beauty. Cheers.